pressure. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harrison County in southern Mississippi, northeastern Hancock County in southern Mississippi, central Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Sauget, or 16 miles southwest of Wiggins, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McNeil. This includes Interstate 59 in Mississippi between mile markers 10 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Hancock, Harrison, and Pearl River. Here is the tropical weather outlook.